Dear students, I am one of your teachers from Government Girls High School, Vilgam. I am with you in this offline class. Today, I want to tell you something about rational numbers. This is one of your chapters included in your syllabus of class 7th. You students are most welcome in this class. I've already shared so many points with you about this chapter. Today, I will share some more points regarding rational numbers. And in today's article, in today's lecture, we'll try to see that what are rational numbers, and this will help you while solving the problems of this chapter. Rational numbers in maths, a rational number is a type of real numbers which is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Any fraction with non-zero denominators, an irrational number is a rational number. Some of the examples of rational numbers are 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 3 by 4, and so on. The number 0 is also a rational number, as we can represent it in many forms such as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. But 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, etc. are not rational since they give us infinite values. Also check irrational numbers here and compare them with rational numbers. This will help us in understanding rational numbers much more. And in this chapter, in this article, we will learn about what is a rational number. That means in the chapter that is about rational numbers in your syllabus, in your book, you will try to learn about that what is a rational number, the properties of rational numbers, along with its types, the difference between rational and irrational numbers, and solved examples. It helps to understand the concepts in a better way. Also, learn the various rational number examples and learn how to find rational numbers in a better way. To represent rational numbers on a number line, we need to simplify and write in the decimal form first. Means that when we will represent rational numbers on number line, we have to simplify them and get them in a form so that we can easily represent them on a number line. It means that in the chapter of rational numbers in your syllabus, in your book, we have to learn various things about rational numbers, represent them on number line, solve the examples, problems based on rational numbers. This will help us in understanding rational numbers in a more better way. Dear students, this was a basic definition and introduction of rational numbers, you came to know that these numbers are in the form of P by Q, and these are fractional numbers. And we also know that every fraction is not a rational number, but every rational number is a fraction. And here in the P by Q form, Q is never equal to 0. P can be equal to 0. These were some basic points that I shared with you. I hope that you will keep these points in your mind. This will help us while solving the problems and questions in this chapter. And you students are supposed to know these things. So I at times highlight these things, and I hope that you may be taking the required benefit of these things. I think this is sufficient. We'll meet again, inshallah, with more information about this chapter. This time, let me go. Take care of your health of your all nears and dears, and be in touch with your books. Try to take every advantage from offline, online classes, community classes, and this material that's given to you from this end. I hope that you will be successful in future very nicely. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Bye.